In the Mahabharata, the great epic of India, Yudhishthira, one of the story's heroes, is put through a battery of riddles by a spirit disguised as a crane. In the culminating question, the spirit asks, "What is the most amazing thing in the world?" Yudhishthira replies, "The most amazing thing in the world is that every day we see death strike, and yet we live as if it will not happen to us." When it comes to the reality of change, we often look for ways to believe we are somehow exempt from it. Perhaps the chasm between what we believe to be true and how we live our lives can be explained by a lack of genuine insight. The fact of transience, in other words, simply has not been brought home to us with sufficient clarity and depth. We grasped the idea of impermanence conceptually, but impermanence has not yet grasped us in the way that insight makes possible, in the manner that revolutionizes our whole way of life. From the point of view of insight, change is not merely what happens to an entity over the course of time. Change is not simply the birth, growth, decay, and death of an organism, the kinds of changes that are ordinarily perceptible. Birth, growth, decay, and death also occur at every instant in a manner difficult to discern without the skills of meditation. Meditative practice makes it possible to sharpen perceptive attention to such a degree that one can have a direct knowledge of the momentary arising and passing away of all reality.